Hi,
Okay, what's your name?
my name is Mary.
How are you today, Marie?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 9.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Vietnam.
Okay, you live in them. So, this is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, so now look at the picture here. What's this?
it's a shark.
And what's this?
It's a dolphin.
Okay, which one is bigger?
Here,
Here, what's this here?
it's a shark.
The shark is bigger than a dolphin.
Yeah,
Okay, so now, what's this?
it's a seahorse.
And what's this?
It's an eel.
Okay, which one is longer?
The eel is longer than a seahorse.
Okay, so thank you. Next, what's this?
It's a crab.
And what's this?
It's, it's a starfish.
Okay, which one is faster?
The crab is faster than a starfish.
No, and this one, what's this?
It's a jellyfish.
And what's this?
It's an octopus.
Okay, how many legs have it got?
Um,
Okay, say again. How many legs have it got?
it have 8 legs.
Okay, so now look at the picture. How many animals in the sea?
Okay. 12,
So what?
12 animals.
Okay, so now look at this here. What is the weather like?
It's sunny,
Isn't it and?
cloudy.
Okay, thank you. So next, there are two pictures. Picture 1 and picture 2. There are some difference between two pictures. For example, in the picture 1, there are 3 children. But in the picture 2, there are 2 children. Let's continue. Tell me about difference between two pictures.
Picture 1 is the man wearing a green t-shirt. Picture 2, the man wearing a yellow t-shirt.
Okay, thank you. Next, what else?
The picture 1, the trees are long, but but picture 2, the the trees are small.
Okay, can you check about your
short.
picture? Check for this for me. Check this. Okay, so next, continue.
Picture number 1 is have a cave, but picture number 2 have have a sculpture.
And next, what's this here and what's this here?
Picture 1 have a panda and picture 2 have a kangaroo.
Okay, so now at the woman.
The picture 1, the woman is wearing a hat. Picture number 2, the woman isn't wearing a hat.
Okay, so thank you. That's the ending.
Yes.
Finish? Yeah. Okay, now they have 4 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is different and why? For example, picture number 3 is different because it's a book and there are pear, orange and apple. They are food. So look at this one, which is different.
Picture number 4 is different because picture 1, 2, 3 are living in a sea and picture number 4 and live in a world.
Okay, and next one.
Picture number 3 is different because picture 1, 2 and 4 are flying, but picture 3 isn't flying.
Okay, so next.
The, the picture number 2 is different because because picture number 1, 3 and 4 are made from wood, but picture number 2 made from clay.
Okay, so now I have some small questions for you. Now look at me. What did you do yesterday?
I went to the I went to the um I went to the aquarium.
Okay, so what was the weather like?
It's sunny.
Okay, did you go to school yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so how did you go to school?
And on Monday to Friday,
Okay, what did you eat for lunch?
I ate sandwiches
And who did you eat lunch
with my friend.
Okay, in your family, who is the tallest person?
My dad, my, he is my dad.
Okay, so who is the taller, you or your brother?
Uh,
Okay, I say again. Who is taller, you or your brother?
my brother.
My brother what?
He, my brother is the tallest.
Tallest. Okay, so thank you. That's the ending your speaking test. So goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you.